Today my friend brought in his Subaru BRZ to the shop as it's having some rough idling issues, but no check engine light codes. This has happened to one of my cars and it ended up being a dirty throttle body, so I inspected it and it was in fact dirty, so that's what I'm starting off with. This throttle body has coolant running through it and the BRZ was also due for a coolant flush, so I drained the coolant, then removed the mass airflow sensor, inlet pipe, and lastly the throttle body itself. It has never been cleaned in the 90,000 miles it's been driven and you can definitely tell, so I carefully cleaned it with a baby toothbrush and some throttle body cleaner, then blew out any leftover dust and cleaner with compressed air. I also cleaned the MAF sensor with the proper cleaner. I replaced the throttle body gasket, then reversed the process to put everything back together, and the idle was a little bit better, but not perfect, so clearly there was something else wrong. We looked around and quickly found that the fins on the intercooler had some damage, likely from a rock or some road debris hitting it while driving. My friend ordered a new one, and a couple days later, I removed the broken intercooler and replaced it with a new one. The idle is now back to normal, and the Subaru BRZ is good to go for now.